Lenny the Leopard. How's it going, guys? Well, it's going pretty good for me. Well, guys, I was thinking maybe we're going to start a new channel. It's going to be called the Computer Lizard, or the Lizard Geek. We haven't really decided on a name yet, so we're going to just go with Computer Lizard right now. So, I guess...
Guess what, guys? I'm doing the channel too!
Oh, crap, not him again. I hate that little son of a... Well, I am a redneck, but you can't really tell that because I'm an elephant. And I'm just a regular Joe, you know, average person, all that fun stuff. Well, I might be a redneck. That doesn't mean I act like one. I actually act like a regular human, just got that hillbilly accent. And I'm hungry hippo. I'm always hungry and the fat one. Also, I have a big nose. You can see, it's how big. So anyway, that's about it for this episode. And we haven't decided on a name yet, so put in the comment section below what you think the name of this show should be. And thank you, and good night.